Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix camera roll backup on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Snapchat app, and once you open it, here on the left corner of the screen you'll see a gallery like icon. Simply tap on that, and that is your memories icon, right? And on the top bar you'll see snaps, camera roll, stories, and my eyes only, right? Simply tap on camera roll, and here you can see below recent your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. So all these photos that are showing to you are currently shown from the local stories of your phone. So in order to keep a backup, what you can do is just simply long tap on the selected image or video, and then simply tap on the more option, or just simply tap on the hide, right? And then what this does is it transfers or moves the selected photo to the my eyes only, right? So simply enter in your passcode if you haven't set up, and then here you'll have an option that says move. Simply tap on that, and the selected photo will be copied or moved to the my eyes only. And here you'll have an option to delete the original as well, as either you can delete it or simply tap on not now. So this is the first process. So the next process or the next step that you can do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, and then simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and scroll down, and here all you gotta do is tap on clear data, and here tap on clear cache. And once you do this, it clears the cache and the Snapchat needs to restart, and this will automatically back up the photos in your local storage. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.